With Australians staying home to reduce the spread of coronavirus or COVID-19, an increasing number of people are finding themselves with extra time and sanitizer on their hands. While undoubtedly many will spend their newfound hours binge-watching Netflix and hoarding toilet paper, this social distancing time is also a great opportunity to work on learning new skills, discovering online study options, and focusing on self-improvement. So how can you make the most of self-isolation? We've put together our own list of suggestions for those that are after a little inspiration. Learn a new skill. Dedicate some time to developing new skills like cooking, crocheting, or painting. There are a range of fun and inspiring tutorials available on YouTube and online. Enroll in a course. Kangan Institute is offering a huge range of courses supporting online and practical learning, from vet nursing to pathology and nursing to community services. Don't let COVID-19 stand in the way of following your passion. Start a home DIY project. Why not use the extra time to achieve something at home, like paint a room, frame those holiday shots, or go through your wardrobe and donate or upcycle unwanted clothes? Go green and get active in the garden. For those with gardens, we suggest trying your hand at a veggie patch. Those without gardens can give a balcony or windowsill herb patch a go. Catch up with friends online. The best way to overcome self-isolation is to not actually get too isolated. Pick up the phone and give your friends and family a call. Or better yet, arrange a social hour with a group of friends on Skype or FaceTime. Set personal goals and stick to them. Whether your goal is to start each day with an early morning yoga sesh, or get the wheels in motion for a change in career, you can do it from the comfort of your home. Just make sure you set goals you're serious about, dedicate time, and fully commit. Start a new book, audiobook, or podcast. Take the opportunity to read that book that's been on the shelf for years, listen to an audiobook, or get informed with a podcast series. So make the most of self-isolation and try something new. You won't regret it.